Have you ever noticed how some people seem to glow with energy even late at night? Their skin calm, their mind clear, and their sleep effortless? I used to wonder if that came from genetics or good habits. Then I started looking at one quiet ritual that's been part of Mediterranean life for centuries: a single spoonful of olive oil before bed. Most of us think of olive oil as something to drizzle on salad or cook with, but what actually happens inside the body when you take it at night is far more fascinating. Over time, I realized this simple golden liquid works like a gentle tune-up for the whole system, from your brain and heart to your metabolism, gut health, and even your sleep quality. So today, I want to walk you through what science is uncovering about this small nightly ritual and how to make it work safely and effectively in your own life. First, let's talk about the brain because that's where I noticed the most surprising research. Inside high-quality extra virgin olive oil are compounds called polyphenols, particularly one with the tongue-twister name oleocanthal. Think of it as nature's built-in anti-inflammatory shield. It works a bit like ibuprofen, but in a far gentler way. These molecules help the brain flush out sticky proteins that can accumulate over time, the same kind that contribute to memory decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. When I started taking a tablespoon at night, I didn't expect it to change my focus, but after a few weeks, I found my mental fog in the late evenings had eased. I could read longer and sleep without that buzzing mind that used to keep me awake. Over time, consistent use seems to keep the brain's communication pathways smooth, like oiling the gears of memory itself. Now, here's something most people never connect with olive oil: its quiet influence on longevity and cellular repair. Those same polyphenols act like microscopic bodyguards protecting your cells from oxidative stress, the slow rusting process that comes from pollution, poor diet, and chronic stress hormones. Research suggests these antioxidants can help abnormal cells recognize when to self-destruct, a process scientists call apoptosis. It's one of the body's built-in safety switches, and olive oil supports it naturally. I always remind my listeners that this isn't a miracle cure. It's prevention through chemistry that your body already understands. Next comes one of olive oil's most famous strengths: heart and circulation. I like to imagine every drop traveling through the bloodstream, smoothing the inner lining of vessels and keeping them flexible. The main fat in olive oil, oleic acid, is a monounsaturated fat that helps lower LDL, the kind of cholesterol that sticks to arteries, while supporting HDL, the form that cleans up after it. But what really impresses me is its ability to calm inflammation in the blood vessels themselves. That's key for blood pressure, energy, and recovery after exercise. If your circulation runs better, your skin barrier glows, your metabolism steadies, and even your mood improves because oxygen and nutrients move more freely to every cell. Let me share a quick story. A patient of mine, let's call her Lina, had been dealing with mid-afternoon fatigue and trouble sleeping. She wasn't looking for supplements. She wanted something simple. We focused on small evening rituals, turning off bright screens, lowering lights, and adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil about an hour before bed. Within 3 weeks, she noticed 2 changes. Her late-night sugar cravings disappeared and she woke up less bloated. By her next visit, she told me her smartwatch showed longer stretches of deep sleep. Her lab markers later revealed slightly improved fasting glucose. It wasn't magic. It was her metabolism finally finding rhythm again. And that brings us perfectly to blood sugar balance. Olive oil slows the absorption of carbohydrates and helps insulin, the hormone that moves sugar into cells, work more efficiently. When your evening meal includes this healthy fat, you blunt those nighttime glucose spikes that can disrupt circadian rhythm and lead to restless sleep. That steady energy flow keeps stress hormones like cortisol from surging at midnight, which is one reason many people report calmer, deeper rest after making this a habit. Another area we don't often link with olive oil is bone strength. Yet several studies in Mediterranean populations show higher bone density among regular users. The mechanism seems to come from olive oil's phenols boosting the activity of osteoblasts, the bone-building cells, and enhancing calcium absorption. Over years, that may reduce fracture risk and improve mobility as we age. For me, this connection between healthy fats and skeletal strength is one of the most underappreciated aspects of nutrition. Bones aren't just calcium. They're living tissue influenced by inflammation, hormones, and even gut health. Speaking of the gut, let's explore what happens there. Extra virgin olive oil feeds beneficial bacteria the way high-fiber vegetables do, especially strains that produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which soothe the gut lining. It also signals the liver to release bile, helping you digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. When digestion runs smoothly, your immune system stays calmer because nearly 70% of your immune cells live in the gut wall. Less inflammation there means clearer skin, steadier moods, and even better collagen production. This is why I always call the gut our second brain. If your gut microbiome feels nourished, the rest of you does too. Then there's sleep, one of my favorite topics because it ties everything together. The reason a tablespoon of olive oil before bed can improve sleep isn't mystical, it's biochemical. First, it signals satiety, preventing those late-night raids on the fridge. Second, its gentle anti-inflammatory properties relax the body's tissues and calm digestion so you fall asleep without discomfort. Finally, when blood sugar stays stable through the night, the brain cycles more easily through deep sleep phases, the time when growth hormone peaks and the body repairs collagen, muscle, and skin barrier function. That's why people often wake up looking refreshed, not puffy or inflamed. Olive oil also touches the realm of hormones and vitality. Yes, even sexual health. Because it improves circulation, it naturally supports blood flow everywhere, including reproductive organs. And its antioxidants protect the cells in the adrenal glands and testes that produce testosterone, which plays a role in both men and women for energy, confidence, and metabolism. Balanced hormones translate into steadier moods and stronger motivation, especially when paired with good sleep and exercise. So how do you actually use olive oil in a way that feels natural? I like to think of it as part of a 5-step nightly protocol. Step 1. Choose a cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil stored in a dark glass bottle. That protects those delicate polyphenols from light damage. Step 2. Take about 1 tablespoon, roughly 15 milliliters, 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. You can take it plain or mixed with a little warm water and lemon if you prefer a smoother texture. Step 3. Avoid heavy desserts or alcohol after taking it, since both can disrupt digestion and sleep. Step 4. Dim the lights, lower your screen exposure, and let your circadian rhythm start winding down naturally. Step 5. Stay consistent. It takes at least 3 to 4 weeks for your gut microbiome and metabolism to adapt and reveal steady benefits. If you're curious about taste, high-quality olive oil should have a faint peppery bite in the throat. That's the polyphenols doing their job. Store it away from heat and sunlight, and never reuse oil that's been heated for cooking as your bedtime dose. You want all those antioxidants intact. Let's pause to connect all these benefits through one larger lens: inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is the quiet driver behind fatigue, aging skin, sluggish metabolism, and poor recovery. Olive oil doesn't just mask symptoms. It tunes down that inner fire by reducing inflammatory signaling molecules like cytokines and improving the way your cells handle stress. When you combine this with other anti-inflammatory foods, leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, turmeric, you create an internal environment where longevity and resilience naturally rise. And yes, olive oil fits beautifully into your daytime habits too. A drizzle on vegetables enhances the absorption of carotenoids, which support the skin barrier and vision. A splash over oatmeal or Greek yogurt feeds probiotics and keeps you full longer. Even a teaspoon before a workout can smooth energy release during training. But at night, its role is restorative, helping your body shift from action to recovery mode. Now, you might wonder what kind of results to expect. Most people notice subtler changes first: better digestion, fewer cravings, more stable mood in the morning. After several weeks, many see smoother skin texture and deeper sleep patterns. I've personally found that pairing this ritual with magnesium-rich foods like almonds or leafy greens enhances the calming effect, since magnesium also helps relax muscles and regulate melatonin. If you prefer structure, here's a simple 3-step starter plan for this week. Step 1. Tonight, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil 1 hour before bed and jot down how you sleep. Step 2. Repeat for 7 days while keeping your bedtime consistent and avoiding heavy late-night snacks. Step 3. After a week, evaluate how your digestion, sleep quality, and morning energy feel, and adjust timing if needed. You'll be amazed how quickly your body responds when you give it the right signals. Ultimately, this ritual isn't about adding another supplement or chasing trends. It's about understanding how your body's natural rhythms, metabolism, circadian cycle, inflammation control, and recovery all connect. Olive oil just happens to be one of nature's most elegant ways to support those rhythms. Every spoonful carries centuries of wisdom from cultures that valued nourishment over restriction, flavor over fear. When you treat it as a nightly act of care rather than a quick fix, you give your body what it truly wants: balance, restoration, and the raw materials of longevity. So, as you wind down tonight, remember that small rituals often have the biggest ripple effects. A quiet tablespoon of olive oil, some deep breaths, and a promise to let your body repair itself. That's the kind of self-care that actually lasts. Stay curious, stay kind to yourself, and keep learning how beautifully your biology can work when you simply give it what it needs. I'll see you next time, and until then, nourish your health, honor your rest, and let your energy shine from the inside out.